All right, here we are back on our document, the frame set. I want to change this first main document, something that will always come up when this set gets loaded. How do I do that? Because we don't want this thing. Well, I already have a page made. Go into your Pages folder. You find some pages that I've made. Save some time. One of them is called Main Content. I need to get it over here. Don't click on the page. Go into the Frames panel and click on the word Content. Now that changes your properties down here, and there's the source. That's the old document. Click that wonderful target button, I love this thing, and drag over to Main Content, and like magic, it's changed. That's an HTML document with a div statement with a fixed width and height. You can make these pages any way you want to. You can have some with divs and some without, not that I'd recommend that, but it's just loading web pages. That's all it's doing. So we've got that one. But how do I get, for example, the other ones? How do I get this button over here to actually address and change about over there? Because I do have a page for that. It's actually pretty easy. What we do first is we select About. That's our link, right? Come down to the link button right here. Click that wonderful little button right here again and drag over to About. Now, here's the trick. Go to the word Target right here and select Content. Remember, we got two things, content and navigation. Select Content. Let's stop, save, and check it out. All right, there's Home, but here's About. There you go. Now this one doesn't work yet. We hadn't set it. We have to set that one too. But when you click this one, it changed. This did not change. This is what frames are. Let's get out of here and let's set the rest of these up. Let's go back to this button here for Home. Now we know what that one is. That's Main Content down here. So we'll grab that marvelous little button right here to link it. And we're going to tell it where to go, which will be Content again. I've got a Contact button. Let's select that one. Pick up our little target button and go to Contact right here. And then change Target to Content. And I do have one more for the Go Away. So we'll select this one. We'll grab our little button right here and go to the Go Away page and tell the computer we want, again, that in the Content area, that frame. Well, let's make sure we've saved everything. We can go to our little button right here, go into Safari, and if it didn't, it'll tell you. So there's About, there's Contact, and there's Go Away. Go back to Home. As you can see, this stuff over here is not changing. What's changing is this frame over here. So we've made a very simple framed document with obviously some very dummy pages, but you get the idea. But there's a few more things we can talk about on how we modify these frames, how we can work with them, change them to make them work the way we want to. So let's play around a little bit more in the next segment.